Wait, did you know the government gives out an average of $18,000 every single year to Americans, and most people don't even know where to apply? The shocking truth is it's not on Google. Google shows you ads that cost money, but free grant money? That's hidden in plain sight inside Gov and org sites. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to claim your share before it's gone. Here's the thing: 40% of our economy is made up of programs that give money away, not take it. Housing, healthcare, education, starting a business, you name it, there's a grant. But here's the problem: the people giving away money don't advertise. They don't have ad budgets, so they're buried online. That's why people miss out. But once you know where to look, it's like opening a treasure chest. Here's where most people go wrong: they type free grant money into Google. Guess what happens? They get ads from companies who want to take their money. Real grant providers, they don't pay to show up there. That's why I'm giving you the direct links today. Housing help, HUD.gov/counseling. Living expenses, findhelp.org. Business startup, SBA.gov/local-assistance. Free job training, careerunstop.org. Free healthcare/meds, needymeds.org. Seniors, call 800-677-1116. Veterans, call 888-777-4443. Pause this video, write these down, and comment below which one you're going to apply for first. Inside our community, members share how they got approved. One person found $3,500 in rent help. Another got a $40,000 paid training program. These opportunities are real if you know where to look. Ready to take the first step? Visit our website below. We've put together direct links, step-by-step guides, and even a community of people helping each other succeed. Don't wait. Every day you delay, you leave money on the table. Here's my question for you: if you got $18,000 tomorrow, what would you do with it? Drop your answer in the comments. Would you pay bills, start a business, go back to school, or something else? Let's inspire each other. Look, whether you need help with debt, housing, healthcare, or even launching a dream, these grants are real and waiting for you. Don't waste another second on Google. Click the link below, take action, and share this video with someone who needs this opportunity. Because $18,000 is too much to ignore. Easiest grant ever. Apply here for $18,000 free government money.